We have spent decades imagining a patch of ocean that acts as a supernatural death trap, a place where ships and planes simply vanish into a hungry, inescapable void. This specific danger zone is traditionally mapped as a geometric boundary connecting Miami, San Juan, and the island of Bermuda. The legends began with unsettling, large-scale disappearances. In March 1918, the USS Cyclops, a massive Navy cargo ship carrying 309 crew and tons of manganese ore, sailed into this region and vanished. It left behind no wreckage and no distress signal. In 1945, the mystery intensified with Flight 19. 5 Navy bombers on a routine training mission reported compass malfunctions before disappearing entirely. Even the rescue plane sent to find them was lost. Total casualties reached 27 men in a single afternoon. In the late 1940s, commercial flights like the Star Tiger and Star Ariel also went dark. Both aircraft maintained standard communication with control towers until moments before they vanished over the Atlantic. These terrifying, isolated incidents eventually coalesced into a single, haunting narrative. A collective belief emerged that the ocean itself was actively hunting travelers. However, despite this global fame, the U.S. Navy and Coast Guard do not recognize the Bermuda Triangle on any official map. Evaluating global shipping data reveals a jarring reality. The statistical rate of accidents in the triangle is entirely average for a high-traffic lane. It is no more dangerous than any other busy corridor on the planet. Lloyd's of London, a primary authority on maritime risk, maintains this same view. They charge absolutely no extra premium for vessels traversing this region, treating it as a standard route. This creates a core paradox. If empirical data proves the ocean is safe, the true source of the mystery must lie with the people who invented it. The myth began in earnest in 1964. An author named Vincent Gaddis published a magazine article titled The Deadly Bermuda Triangle, retroactively packaging decades of unrelated tragedies into a single sensational story. In 1974, Charles Berlitz's bestseller catapulted this local legend into a global phenomenon, blending real events with highly speculative theories. To sell books, these authors injected fringe ideas into the narrative, claiming travelers were snatched by aliens, entering time warps, or victims of Atlantean energy crystals. They achieved this sense of mystery by deliberately omitting crucial context. They ignored the extreme weather reports and the poor maintenance records of the 1940s to make the disappearances seem inexplicable. Science fiction writers and media opportunists constructed the mystery from the ground up. It emerged from their desks, not from the logs of oceanographers or sailors. Modern science suggests the famous disappearances were the result of severe technological limitations. In the mid-century, low batteries, fuel mismanagement, and compass errors easily led to fatal disorientation. This region is prone to extreme meteorological volatility. Sudden microbursts, violent downdrafts of air, can instantly swat down planes or sink small vessels without warning. On the surface, rogue waves pose an even greater threat. These sudden, unpredictable walls of water can reach over 100 feet in height, capable of snapping large vessels in half before they can even transmit a distress call. There is also the theoretical role of oceanic methane gas. If methane hydrates on the seafloor erupt, they drastically reduce the water's density. A ship passing above would lose all buoyancy and drop vertically to the bottom in seconds. Combining a heavily trafficked trade route with these unpredictable environmental hazards makes tragic accidents inevitable and entirely within the laws of physics. Today, global GPS, satellite tracking, and real-time weather forecasting have transformed maritime travel. These modern tools have effectively eliminated the navigational blind spots and the human errors that plagued the flights and ships of the previous century. The results are undeniable. Despite the region handling more commercial traffic than ever before, unexplained disappearances have plummeted to nearly zero. The Bermuda Triangle endures as a testament to cognitive bias. It shows how deeply human imagination can overwrite statistical truth, leaving a legend behind even when the mystery is gone.